Hello everyone, so welcome to Code with me in C, and today we are going to learn basic data types. In my previous video where I've explained variables, in that I told that variable is a container and you put your data according to the data type. So what are the types on which your data is divided? So that we are going to learn here. These are some three basic data types which you need to know. First is int data type. So it is used for declaring your integers. Example 376, 500, 456, etc. This is your char data type. It is used for declaring characters. Example D, A. So in uppercase and lowercase all acceptable, but it must be a character only. Then your float data type. It is used for declaring real values, that is your decimal values. Example 3.00, 56.01, 5.6, etc. Now where and how to use that we will be going to learn in the next slide. Here, these are your types of variables. As you are putting your data in a variable and your data are of different types, so their way of keeping them in the variable is also different. Example, your integer variable where you are putting integer is your data and you are putting integer data in your data type. So here D is your variable, int is your data type, which is showing that in your variable naming as D, in your variable an integer data is stored, which is 9. So int, what is int saying? Int is saying that you have a variable named D which is storing a data and the type of data is integer. That is why int is used. Now come to the real variables. Here A is your real variable. Why? Because it is having float data type. A variable is carrying the value of data. The data is here of float data type because it is a decimal value. So float is a data type. Then in your third character variable, just look, char is your data type, s is your variable which is storing a data of character type. And the most important thing is when you are keeping character as your data, so a single quote is very important. You always need to put single quote on your character data. I hope you are understanding. Thank you.